Hello everybody. I'm just gonna show you my world real quick. I have no idea where that came from. I just spawned. Also, everything I got in my inventory I had on creative, and then somehow it changed to survival. I don't know how. And also there's floating water, which I really don't get. The thing will go up as high as you can go. You might even go up higher, I don't know. And over there is a sand village. Sorry about that. Just had to pause for a second there. Whoa. Messed up the mouse. Shut, villagers, you're so annoying. That's the sand village. And that's about it. So bye.